Alright guys, day 3. Let's see if they got anything in store yet. Awesome, still nothing. No monster trucks. Let's see if there's anything on pegs. Oh, they restocked the pegs. Oh, buddy. Nice. Oh, I'm glad I came. Oh, I am glad I came, guys. Look at that, right on front. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and go through this bad boy. The old cases, guys. Got the K&N Vet. Another K&N. K&N. Oh, there we go. You got the Guster. But I don't need any more of those. I have a few. It's a little time machine. Or the mystery machine. Go ahead and take that. Oh, there's another AE86. Corvette. It's a little glow-in-the-dark ducky. C8. It'd be nice if this was the Super 2, but it's not. Another AE86, but we'll leave that one. Corvette. Nothing for there. Go ahead and move on up. See what else we can get. 69 Chevy. Wish it was a treasure hunt Miata. Still haven't found that one yet. Let's see what else. Gotta be more in here, guys. More goodies. Let's go ahead and start shifting these down. Got a messed up wheel on that one. Little bat plane, don't need. Oh, you know, I don't have another Prelude. Let's get one of those. There's another, but I'll leave that for someone else because I know those ones are kind of hard to get. Alright, let's see, what else do we have? Nothing there. Are these supposed to be all black like that? Oh, that's the convertible, that's the coupe. Okay, gotcha. Little treasure hunt. We'll leave that for somebody, we'll put that right there. Oh my god, dude. Are you freaking kidding me? 2! Oh my god, guys. You have got to be kidding me. Oh my god. Oh man, I wonder how many cases this was. And this Fry's has been a huge disappointment lately, but not today, guys. Not freaking today. 69 Chevy, the AE86, another mystery machine, don't need mod rod. 69 Chevy, I think that is it, guys. Holy crap. 2 freaking supers. Nice, man. Holy crap. Alright, so leaving some Preludes, the treasure hunt, a couple of the AE86s and the Savannah. The Savannah is really cool. I do like those a lot. And we'll call this one, guys. Man, look how polished that floor is. Kidding, that's all water, guys. That's what happens when you finally get rain. Water's starting to seep in here. I'm glad there's nothing on the floor that'll get ruined, guys. So, talk about an awesome way to start off the morning. Not only did I score 1, but I scored 2 of the 65 Galaxy Super Treasure Hunts. Check this out, guys. Talk about stoked. And they were placed right on the front. I swear they know that collectors hit them up and they put them out there for easy grabs, but I still managed to go through every single one just to make sure. I did pick up some old castings, that way I can use the wheels for some customs. I do want to use these for the wheel swaps. A carded AE86, another Prelude in yellow, that beautiful Type R yellow with the red interior. I absolutely love this variation. I like it a lot better than the Dollar General, even though it's a really pretty color. Cannot go wrong with the red guts, yellow enamel, black hood, and white MC5. So Kingnut just left. He hooked me up with this beautiful Porsche 934 with the Valiant deco. Check this out. It is the Majorette, and he found this at Target. Not our local Target, one that's kind of a ways away. But look at that, guys. That thing is sweet looking. That's my only Porsche Majorette. The baby blue one I had with the little surfboard, I actually gave it away to Kingnut. And the only ones I have left as far as an off-brand of Hot Wheels are these Matchbox ones right here. So, super stoked for that. So Kingnut, thanks again for that. He also dropped off some Bone Shakers. Check this out. You got the Shook, the matte black with the skull and flames with the OH5s, and then the 50th. He wanted my loose one and we just traded. So now I have it carded, he has it loose. And then we traded the exact same Firebird funny car because the one I had was rough. I mean, that thing looked like it was in the bin of death for like 30 years. Glad he didn't open this. His plan was to open this and race it, but we traded. He can go ahead and open up the other one. I won't feel so bad. But when he posted the video showing this and saying that he was gonna open it, I was texting him like crazy, like, please trade me, don't open it yet. Open the one I have, sacrifice that one. But awesome peg hunt to start off my day, guys. Can't go wrong with 2 supers. I'm pretty sure the comments, my Instagram and Facebook are gonna be blowing up with offers. Just give me some time, guys. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some crazy offers, some trades. I don't sell supers. I'd rather trade 1 for 1. And yeah, so there we go. We got those. Super stoked. But let's go back in time and check out the mail call from this morning. So this is going to be a 2 for 1 just like last time, guys. A peg hunt and a mail call. So let's get to it. All right, guys, it is that time yet again. We have another package. This is from Gilbert Lopez. It's actually been a little bit since I've done any trades with him, but I did reach out to him because I was not expecting anything. But we're going to go ahead and see what is in the box. Hey guys, so when I messaged him, he said that this was a Camaro that I wanted a while back. I don't remember which one it is, so we're gonna go ahead and see what's in the box. See an old one right here. Oh man, look at that. All right, yes, I remember now. Check this out, guys. You got the 93 Camaro, and it is a wheel variation. Collector number 262. Look at that, man. Oh man, that is nice. Check that out. You got the gold Ultra Hots. Ooh, and look at that. Still has Jack Baldwin on the top of the roof right there, and that is nice, dude. So the one thing I'm noticing is that this is collector 262. Now the one that Liver Diecast sent right here, these are collector number 242. Let's look at these, guys. Look at that. So these were the ones that removed the Jack Baldwin names right there on the roof, whereas this one still has it. It's the same exact casting, same tampos, but the collector number is different. The wheels, of course. The tampo's a little different as far as the Jack Baldwin variation, and then the one I have down there is still collector 242 with Jack Baldwin, but it's just a different coating of paint on there. So dang, man, That is crazy. Now I gotta look up the difference between 262 and 242. Nice. It's probably a year variation, I'm assuming. Because yeah, the later ones, they removed his name from the roof, and I wonder why. I wonder why they removed him. But man, thank you so much, dude. That is freaking awesome. Next up, ooh, look at that, guys. We have the red version of the custom Volkswagen Beetle. Nice, dude. Now I only have the gray one, and that one was one I found, and I never found another one, but I did get one in a package a while back. But look at this one, man. This one looks really good. Love the red enamel. Of course, the rusty patina look. You got the black steelies with a white ring, looking super clean. And that's straight out of the Volkswagen series. Nice. All right, next up, we got the Pixel Shaker. Check this out. This is one casting I'm surprised myself or Kingnut doesn't collect, because it is a bone shaker, just more of a Lego pixelated setup. But I've always been tempted to get it. And there we go, guys. Got it in yellow plastic with, of course, the pixeled deco. Love the huge black OH5s with the red chrome trim. Really cool casting. I don't know why I've never picked it up, but there we go, guys. Now that I have one in my collection, I have to find more. So, Gilbert, thank you for sending me down another rabbit hole. I know it's a personal choice of doing that, but now that I have it in there, I gotta do it. Uh-oh, what do we got? All right, we got an art car of the 92 Fox body right here in orange. Here we go. You guys know I have this one. I have all three variations of it. The tan and the Zamac as well, which is sitting right over here. So I'm actually going to wheel swap this, because I actually want to take these hideous wheels off of it. Probably use these wheels for something else, something more fantasy looking and more appropriate, but I think this car would look so much better with different wheels. Next up, we got it. Ooh, here we go. This is one I do not have. Got the chrome 69 Chevelle out of the Tune series. Of course, you do have the nice chrome finish, the yellow and orange stripes running all over the sides as well as the hood. Very cool casting. I do have the red and blue one somewhere around here. But there we go, another Chevelle added to the collection. Oh my man, look at this. Wow, that is nice, man. I've never seen this variation of the bone shaker. Check this out. A very nice maroon metallic, very similar to the colors that I have for the mini rubies. Right here, all the variations of them. Look at that, man. Those black steelies with the bronze ring. Check out that deco. Got the number 3. The BS crew with the skull and crossbones. You have the Larry Wood and some black deco. Check this out. That is nice, and it's out of the Hot Wheels Game Over. Man, that is nice. Yeah, I don't have this one. Adding to the collection of bone shakers that I have, so that is awesome. Bone shakers are growing, but there are so many of these. It is ridiculous. I'll never have them all, but here we go. We got the Art Cars 67 Coupe. Look at that. Probably one of the ugliest Mustangs to come out, but there is potential for this casting. I never picked up a second one because I just grabbed it for the collection. I was like, nope, don't want another one. But this one, I'll actually be able to do something with. I might try to make this look a little bit more of a patina barn find, so stay tuned for this one. This is going to be an interesting one. I actually do want to make that look better. Same colors, but just better. Alright, so last but not least, guys, we have the silver metallic of the same deco as the red. I do have this one. I think it is... Do I not have it open, or do I not have it at all? Because I feel like I have it. I guess I don't. I could have sworn I had this one. It's got to be around here somewhere. If you guys see it, let me know. Because, yeah, I don't see it in my collection. I'm pretty sure I have that one. Oh, there it is. It is way down there. Alright, so I do have that one. I knew I did. But there we go. We have a second one. Love the decal. Of course, the black steelies with the red chrome trim. And it's also out of the Hot Wheels Game Over series. So, awesome package, man. Please make sure this... Oh, there's a note on the bottom. I was going to send you a Ferrari but could not find it. I'm going to send along 2 Mustangs that are too ugly to keep. Make yourself some nice customs. Enjoy your Camaro, your friend Gilbert. So nice. Yeah, these are the ones he's talking about. The 2 Mustangs, too ugly to keep. I agree, buddy. These are probably the ugliest. But like I said, I'm going to do something with these. I'm going to wheel swap this one, make it look a little bit better. But as far as the 67, I'm going to try to just make that look rough and tattered, as if it has different panels rather than just painted on color schemes like that. So I'm going to try to do some stuff with this one. Gilbert, thank you so much, man. These are awesome. So we're going to go ahead and put the ones from Live or Die Cast off to the side. This 93 Camaro, guys, this thing is beautiful. Just another variation to add to the Camaro listings. Now, you guys know I do collect Camaros. So, I do have a collection of those. I do have a collection of a lot of different casts other than Mustangs, guys. But look at that. That is awesome. This one was a nice recolor I never got my hands on, and thank you so much for sending me this, because I love the look of this Beetle in particular. It's just one of my favorite variations of it, besides the Kafer Racer. And this one right here, guys, the Bone Shaker in red metallic, did not have, so I'm stoked to have this variation. The Chrome Chevelle was another bonus I did not have. The Pixel Shaker is probably another rabbit hole you just opened up. So there we go. Got to add that to the Bone Shaker list. The 2 Mustangs are going to be customs for sure. Then, of course, the duplicate of the number 3 Bone Shaker in silver metallic. Look at that, guys. Again, Gilbert, thank you so much for sending me this package. You did not have to send these, but I definitely appreciate it, because this is something I can definitely throw into the collection and appreciate. Especially the Camaro. So that is all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. Of course, you guys love to throw in some comments and facts about the castings I get, and I definitely love reading those. A lot of times, guys, you pull up some info that I was never aware of. So I'm looking forward to seeing the comments on this one. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.